right now, a nice start. Speaking of pool weather.
Yes.
And your sweater. We'll see this afternoon some much better pool weather. This morning we're close to 60 at about 8 o'clock. Lots of sunshine, warming up into the low 70s by noon. And then about a 10% chance for an isolated storm this afternoon. It is much calmer than yesterday, with a capital letter there. A lot nicer this next couple of days. Very few storms expected, and we'll be back in the 80s tomorrow. It's been a lot cooler, quite a few degrees below normal this past few days. We'll get back to that near normal temp starting tomorrow. Beautiful start. You can see from City Park looking off to the west. We've got sunshine this morning. Sun glare hasn't been much of an issue to start the week. It will be today. Live look from Loveland, another pretty shot there, and more sunshine expected in the mountains and a nice warm up. You're in the 30s and 40s out west, mainly 50s from Denver north to Fort Collins and Greeley. So it's a cool start to the day, but look at how fast it warms up. We'll see mostly sunny skies. Any of the patchy fog that we have out on the far eastern plains, that's going to clear up by early morning. By lunchtime, 12:30, we're at 71 here in Denver, and then mid-70s near Fort Collins and Greeley, just a few degrees warmer. It gets pretty warm on the western slope today. We're in the upper 80s. Fire danger, I'll show you where, is going to be a concern again, especially tomorrow. Quite a bit hotter out west tomorrow on Thursday. We'll be in the upper 70s right around 5 to 5:30. And again, there you can see a few storms popping up over that northern quarter of the state. So a little closer to Fort Collins, Greeley, Sterling. You've got a slight chance of picking up an isolated storm, but no threat of any severe weather today. Overnight, we're in the 60s. By midnight, partly cloudy. And then early tomorrow, mostly sunny and 50s. Should be, though, in the 60s by about 8 o'clock. Look at how hot it gets tomorrow in spots. Now, we're going to be at about 85 here in Denver on Thursday. Again, a slight chance for an isolated storm up to the north. Really hot out west. Grand Junction, you're at 95, Montrose 92. So fire danger is going to be quite a bit higher. The winds will pick up a bit out west. So we do have a fire weather watch going into effect for a couple of counties up to the northwest tomorrow afternoon. So we'll have to watch for some higher fire danger. Denver today 70s. Tomorrow, we're pretty close to normal. 85 for a high on Thursday. Really hot on Friday. That's going to be one of the warmest days, close to 90 degrees. Heading into the weekend, some low to mid 80s. We've got a slightly better chance for a few afternoon storms both days, Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. But overall, quite a bit warmer. So the first week of summer, the first weekend of it, temperatures in the 80s. So great for a pool.